Duterte seeks interim ICC release on humanitarian grounds. Duterte seeks interim ICC release on humanitarian grounds. Former President Rodrigo Duterte has formally asked the International Criminal Court for interim release from detention in The Hague on humanitarian grounds. In a filing dated June 12, 2025, his legal team highlighted his advanced age. He turned 80 last March, and argued that he poses no flight risk, having stepped down from the presidency in 2022 and lacking any current political office that could enable him to evade proceedings or influence witnesses. Duterte's counsel, Kaufman, also assured the International Criminal Court's pre-trial chamber that a third country has agreed in principle to host him if released, though the nation's identity remains undisclosed in public documents. The motion stresses that the prosecution has not formally opposed the request, provided that unspecified conditions are met. In practice, interim release from the International Criminal Court is rare and typically reserved for detainees who demonstrate pressing health or humanitarian needs that cannot be addressed within the detention facility. Victims' representatives, including Cristina Conti, who advocates on behalf of those affected by Duterte's so-called war on drugs, have voiced strong opposition to any release before the confirmation of charges. Human rights groups estimate that thousands of suspected drug users and dealers were killed during anti-narcotics operations under Duterte's watch. Official figures put the death toll at around 6,200, but monitoring organizations argue the real number could be substantially higher. While the International Criminal Court will weigh the legal arguments, it will also consider security arrangements, the nature of the charges, crimes against humanity for alleged extrajudicial killings, and the potential impact on ongoing witness testimony. A decision on the interim release request could come in the coming weeks. If granted, it would allow Duterte to reside in a safe third country under strict International Criminal Court supervision until his trial date is set. Stay curious, stay connected, subscribe now for fresh news update.